Okay, so what I've got here, I had some 2x6s that I've ripped in half. It's 2 3/4 inches wide. I've cut these two pieces here, 3 inches shy of 8 feet, 93 inches. That's because when you attach this piece here, and then you add the other 2x down here on that end, it'll give you 8 feet across there. And you want it to be 8x8 because the chicken wire that I have is 4 feet wide. So I'm going to be putting two strands across there to cover the 8 feet. I'll be using a 3-inch construction screw to put these together. Normally would use like a deck screw or something exterior, but I didn't have any on hand. Okay, we want to make another frame like that. Going for the top. Let's do that. If that is 8 feet, just going to duplicate what we did on the bottom. This is the bottom. Now we're going to cut two pieces at 93. And I just fasten those together. Now we've got our 8x8 square, and I'm going to put a brace across the middle at 4 foot. I want this to be at 93 inches, 3 inches shy of 8 feet. So get back on it here. Do that over here on this side. All right, gonna make my door frame. 45.5 inches, and I need to take 3 inches off, so 42.5 inches. I want the doors 30 inches wide. Got some old brass door hinges. These work great. If we could make that a tad shorter, make that work better. Now I've got a functioning door. And you lift up and get inside the tractor. Need to make another one for this side over here. We've got our two doors installed. Let's see what else. Need to make that centerpiece. Got a pneumatic stapler. Makes the job a lot easier. Look who's getting a new home. I'm going to be using this vinyl soffitting here. It's got these holes in it, ventilated. That'll give the chicken some ventilation. We don't keep chickens in the wintertime in the tractor, so this will be perfect for summertime. Soffitting is installed with these sheet metal screws with washers on them that you would use for metal. I just use these. Start about halfway down. So as you see, I started there, and I've come on around over to here. Just wrapped it around that corner. I'm starting down here, and so we'll continue on. So there's the soffit installed. I say it's a vented soffit, so they'll get some air circulation through there. I don't know if it got on the video or not, but I put these little braces on here, little prop up that door when you want to open them. Those will come down, hold the door open. Now all I've got to do is put the metal on the top. These will fold up out of the way. You're not using them. So let me go get some tin, and we'll get that roof put on. This thing will be finished.
Definitely not. I mean, if you go back into election 2020, some of the most egregious activity came from Iran. 2 instances.
I just go around with some sealant, fill these holes in. Gonna put a little bracket on here. It's just plumber strapping. I'm gonna put it on here so I can put a handle on this thing to pull it around. Now take a piece of old water hose, 3-4 feet of it, slip it on this wire. Now you've got a handle.
Damn it.
I think that's going to wrap this one up. We got her built in place with the new residence in it. I had to put a divider, a piece of soffitting in there because the little chicks were going in between. I found that hard to believe. They were going in between the chicken wire, and then the moms were fighting and pecking the ones that weren't theirs. And we had this one for, I don't know, 3 years, so it's held up pretty well. I'm going to put the wheel system on there like I did on this one because that worked really well. But anyway, it's going to wrap it up. We'll see you on the next one.